What's up, y'all? Getting ready to add that ag hose. Sorry for the glare. See if I can do something about that. Yeah, great. Add that ag hose. Back of that rig. This rig's been sitting for quite some time. Attempted to get rid of it. I actually had a buyer, but ended up deciding to go ahead and keep it and upgrade it and let it make some money. Figure if I put a gas-powered soft wash system on there, give me the opportunity to run it. You know what I mean? Just a regular 12 volt. I have that on the other trailer and the flatbed. So I figured I'd put a gas-powered one here. Give me a reason to use it. You know what I mean? And actually, we'll be using it tomorrow for the first time. These guys were diligent enough to go ahead and get this knocked out for me so that I can get ahead of this weather we're supposed to get this weekend. But yeah, over here at Georgia Chemical, they do great work. These guys are pretty good. They're awesome, actually. Got their bleach station over there, and this is the shop. And that's Tim, Dave. These are the guys that took care of my rig. So if you need some work done, hit them up. Georgia Chemical, Georgia. All right, y'all, there. Bringing my baby out. It's my other mistress right there. She's been dormant for a couple years. Getting ready to put her back on the block, baby. You know what it is. Just added a gas power soft washer, like I was saying earlier. Looking forward to using this tomorrow. I'll let y'all know how it works out. All right, let's take a look at it. Do a little quick overview. I've just added this. This is actually to fill buckets if I need to, wash your hands, wash station kind of thing. Got a 50-gallon chemical tank there. Pressure hose. This is a 1/2-inch ag hose. It's got a shut off down there, valve on there. It's pretty neat. Quick release. Soft wash gun. These are going to be my two soap tanks. I'll probably use one for surfactant and the other one for degreaser. And again, the mother of all proportioners. It's a bad mamma jamma here. As you can see, I have two soap. Two soap valves. You have a chemical valve, and this is your water valve. Here is the AR-45. I got a great price on this about 4 or 5 months ago. I just sat on it. I'm just waiting to, for the right time to use it. Yep, got a dump there. Yep, this was a 2-inch dump. We removed it. Just added that 1-inch there. Yep. What's up, Steve?
Clean, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Just like I like it.
Yeah.
Indeed. Yeah.
Oh, David. Yeah. Flathead?
Yep. Turned out pretty good. There's a battery for it. It's the AR-45, people. Yep. Made it so that there's plenty of storage over here. I'll end up repainting this or something. It's got a slight little leak right there. Yep, all this was closed out. I used to run everything from this side, but it's been all cleaned up. I'll use this for storage, something. I don't know. Yep. These are pretty cool. Cool too. These band covers, they prevent your straps from rusting and getting all ate up from the chemical. Yep. Turned out pretty good. I'm pleased with it. Now to go pay for itself tomorrow. and then we'll be back to square one, you know? How about that? Stay tuned. Peace.